What's up, YouTube gang? What's up? It's me. I'm back again with another motherfucking video. It's your boy Jambisco. You already know.
Yeah, one shot in the weed and chalice ready. One shot in tight pussy girl pan the god selly. When we roll out,
Wagwan YouTube. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jambisco, and I'm back with another video, another banger, another smash hit, another dope lit. You already know. I'm here with another dope video for y'all. Today we're checking out Teejay. Yep, that's Teejay, Teejay, Teejay. You don't know from I think it's called Up Top Records right now. Yeah, it's I believe it's signed with Ramich. Ramich is managing, same like Shinsi and Lingna. Yeah, that's Teejay. He's here with another. Should be very fire. I haven't seen it. Should be a fire video because his videos and songs and music is always lit. So should be a fire music. It's official music video for Gardening. We're gonna check it out and react together. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I really appreciate y'all taking the time to check my videos out. Welcome to the family. Please go ahead, like, comment, share this video, and please subscribe and turn on your notification bells, please, so you can get my videos as soon as I upload them. So you can, show me some support, and I can continue to grow the channel and provide great quality content for y'all. If okay, really appreciate it. I've been getting great feedback so far. So I really appreciate it. Help me get to 1,000 subscribers, guys. Please go ahead, hit those likes, notification, and turn on and subscribe, please, and interact. Let me know what's going on. Let me know what you guys like. Yeah, so I can make these banging videos for y'all, man. I love doing this for y'all. I love doing YouTube. So please, go ahead, help me provide great content for y'all. Okay, so yeah, we are checking out Gardening today from Teejay. He's a very great artist, as I said before, so this should be a very late, interesting, and entertaining video. You don't know. And from what it sounds like, it should be a Badman tune. Gathering, you already know Jamaicans and gathering. And for those who don't know, gartering in Jamaica is supposedly is a ring that you get from what you call Doberman, or what is some country called voodoo or witch doctor or whatever y'all call it in your country. You get a ring that really supposedly protects your life or guard you from, guard you from death. It's called gartering. Protects you from, misfortune and stuff like that. So yeah, so we're gonna check it out, see what this video about. Once again, like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're new, welcome to the family. Thank you for watching my video. If you're old, if you're a returning subscriber, thank y'all for returning. I appreciate y'all. Y'all the reason why we are here still, because y'all keep coming back for more. So I thank you for the continued support. I really do, from the bottom of my heart. I really do. This is something I always wanted to do, and y'all helping me do it. But enough of me rambling. We're gonna check out Teejay Garden, which should be a lit video. I really hope it's lit, because Teejay is an artist that I really believe in and really like. So I really hope. I just want him to continue dropping great tracks, because man, he's got talent and he can go far. So we're gonna check it out right now. Without further ado, Teejay Garden. Go ahead, check it out on his Vivo after you finish watching this channel, and I'm gonna put a link in the video somewhere up here to one of my other reaction videos, so you guys can go ahead and check that out as well. And please follow my gaming channel at Bisco Games, man. I play games all the time, and we all talk about all type of topics while we play games now. So please go ahead, check that out. I'm gonna leave a link right here in the video for my other reaction videos, and the link in the description for my other channels and stuff. So let's get right into it. Teejay Garden.
get the picture for the target. WhatsApp active. No.
Get the picture. Already. I have to pause. Get the picture for the target. WhatsApp active. What? Let's get it.
Make your name go on list.
WhatsApp active. No make your name go on list. Look. I haven't even. Oh man, I'm already pulling up and I haven't got into the song yet. But I tell you, the lyrics already, man.
Dog them out the teeth, them garlic. Murder me know about me and only artist. The German 4-4, the angle vanish. Me not feel like me if you put it up on.
The German 4-4, the angle vanish. Come on, wood angle German 4-4. Hey, the other stuff. A bad man artist, them man. Them artists are mad, you know. Teejay. I'm gonna go check him out, man. Fire. Hold on, we're not even. How long now? Let me see what we have. 14 second there, son. 14 second. Yo, alright.
This shell down your ends, jump in a car quick. We know all boy as hostage. Watch a deck clock 45 full up of all the tips. My take a beat so like a girl gonna spit. Like them never go a school go.
Oh, I wasn't expecting that. I was not expecting that beat. I was not expecting the beat to switch up like that. Man said when the old boy hostage. Hey! Hold on, I gotta start over. Sorry guys. This is the last time, promise. After this we're going straight through. Let's get it. I'm gonna pause and comment though, but we're going straight through, no pull-ups. Let's go.
This the German 4-4, the angle vanish. Me not feel like me if you put a dopey on this. Shell down.
Me not feel like me if you put a dopey pan.
Ends jump in a car quick. We know all boy as hostage. Watch a deck clock 45 full up of all the tips. My take a beat so like a girl gonna spit. Like them never go a school go do no biology.
Me know all boy hostage. Glock 45 breed like girl way up. Breed. Okay, girl want spit. Hey, babe.
When them shot a touch you it a measure. Oh, are you a flip? Boy you tell me about them say.
When them shots are touching them, that make you oh how you are flip. Hey, 31 seconds in, man, and full of lyrics. Come on now.
Like a party can them not show people and but no house and like no matches. They better try to go a road but them a buy no crutches. Come and I go shoot them now they made that's my define them a bit.
They better try to go a road go buy no crutches, cause somebody go find them a wall without. Teejay, behave.
Red K for your casket, 25 for your boxer shot. Saturday are the best day for kill them cause that's about them style. Get lazy like baby in a lapa rock. Mach 90 run over them feet.
Saturday are the best day for kill them cause of Sabbath. Only even get the line there. Saturday are the right day for kill them cause of Sabbath. You know, make them bat fly and it's
like I'm a rock. Digital have a gun with all but an analog. Press it and watch it, I'm an upload run like a sawasap.
Digital have a gun with all but an analog. Digital, the person named Digital have a gun with all but an analog. We're done. Let's go.
Just one gear one of that rifle make and a pop. Mickle D one the club.
Just one gear one of that rifle make and a pop. Mickle D.
Run up and blast it. The bull pop rifle, the rig and a pally. Me body properly clap it. Them should be more naturally. The warrior sweet and me never had a.
You heard, man? You heard? Guys, I said I wasn't gonna pull it up, man, but please, one time. Thank you. I appreciate y'all. Thank you. Nafi, thank you. I really appreciate y'all.
Like baby in a lapa rock. Mach 90 run over them face like I'm a rock. Digital have a gun with all but an analog. Press it and watch it, I'm an upload run like a sawasap. Just one gear one of that rifle make and a pop. Mickle D one the club me run up and blast it. The bull pop rifle, the rig and a pally. Me body properly clap it. Them should be more naturally. The warrior sweet and me never had a crane. No fight like Apache shoot boy make them mother see. Another one every day and me a no call it.
No fight boy like Apache shoot them make them mother see. Hey, TJ, brother, a long time I say you hard, you know. Yo, you unskilled. Hey, wanna fi collab. Yeah, me don't know. Me go on. This is all about TJ. You don't know, go check him out.
Body shut up and chop up, me dash them with a overland. Them funeral fi big just like the crowd that sting. Why think him did I go sick and dead from the corona thing? Them a gonna where we walk with. Stand up if you know I live. We murder boy we join.
See what I'm talking about, guys? He can spit, he got lyrics and he got the melody. Cause the man just came into the song, bro. I thought the man was gonna chop up the whole blood slab beat. No, but the man come in and say, yo, not only have to chop this blood clot up, we have to cut it up too. Slice it and cut it up. Yeah, man. Okay, smooth. I can't. Please, guys, one more time. Please.
Who I think him did a go sick and dead from the corona thing. Them a gonna we walk with. Stand up if you know I live. We murder boy, we join lots of me don't know where them a go with gathering. When the guns squeak, wrap it up in something make it.
Man say, you see me out there about gathering protect life, and say me don't know them a go with gathering. Cause it seems like that gathering can save boy. Hey!
Them pussy they only run big. Up top camp. Boy, I play PUBG, feel him a killer now. Cow 45, I know the one if you go kill a cow. Clap the rifle, brain fly and I no pick a low. Click that double road, them boy, they had up a show. I know they gonna the killer, we fire that. Some man turn bad man, no true, them go buy a strap. Show too much, man, I dead, them ends ready fire at. Man in front of try bolt, tell them to try a lock. When he running board a jump so that he now come to 357 Magnum na Congo. Give him the wall of it, boy a scratch like him a fungus. Tired them body a fit on dust. The eye cracks, skull bust, nostril, run post, grab.
Guys, I had to stop and pause a while ago. Too much lyrics, man. Too much lyrics. I'm not gonna pull it up anymore. I'm just gonna get into it. Just like keep going. Let's go. Vibes. You already know it's a fire. Let me know what y'all think. I forgot even to ask y'all what y'all think. I've been so caught up in the song. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, please, guys. Let me know what y'all think. Hit the like button if you like the video, please, and comment, share, and subscribe once again. And let me know what y'all think, guys. Like always, if it is fire emoji in the comments. If it is garbage, I need the trash can emoji, and if it's shit, just put that shit emoji. Come on, let me see them in the comments. Like, come on, I think it's fire though. Let's get it.
Up and come up, I'm not that dumb fuck. AK tip up like dumb truck. Turn over boy like rum cup. Them a gonna we walk with. Stand up if you know I live. We murder boy, we join lots of me don't know where them a going a gathering. When the guns squeak, wrap it up in something make it beat. Them pussy they only run big. Up top camp. Get the picture for the target. WhatsApp active, no make your name go on list. Dog them out, the teeth them garlic. Murder me know about me and only artist. The German 4 the young vanish. Me nah feel like me if you put your dopey on this. Shell down your ends, jump in a car quick. We know all boy as hostage. Watch a dead Glock 45 full up of all tips. My take a beat so like a girl gonna spit. Like them never go a school, go do no biology. When them shot a touch you, it a mention, oh, are you a flip? Boy, you tell me about them psychopathic and them not.
Boy. You just have to listen to one of them on lyrics, not the one that kick like blow out. Hey, lyrics that kick like Van Damme. Yo, easy.
Shoot people and but no house and like no matches. They better try to go a road, but them a buy no crutches. Come and I go shoot them, not them head. That's my define them a bitch.
Easy. God. Easy on myself, man. Easy. Yo, guys, see, I was talking about, I told you Teejay was very lyrical, and he got the melodical. I don't even know if that's a word, and he has the melodies with it. Well, look what I told you. First time hearing the song, man, and I think he killed it. Dope song, man. I already know I'm gonna be playing that, you know. So I already know I'm gonna be bumping that song, man. That's just crazy, man. Teejay, great artist, never disappoints, man. Even from his song Up Top, Grimy, all them songs, $1 Million. He always keep coming with them hits, man. Song always strong, always lyrical, medical like us. So, but guys, that's the end of the video, man. That's the end of the song. Please go ahead and check it out on his page if you want to see it, you know, and rewatch the video again if you want to see my reaction. But that was a dope video. Really enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoyed it too. Please let me know if you like the content that I've been giving you guys so far. Please, once again, like, comment, share, and subscribe. I know I probably say it a lot, but it really helps, you know, for the channel. So please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Share it. Love y'all. Thank you for my returning subscribers, and thank you for my new subscribers. And I hope to see y'all in the next video. Yeah, and I hope y'all stay safe during this quarantine time. You know, stay safe out here. Hope your family's safe. For the with your health and prosperity, man. And just, until the next video, it's your boy Jambisco. Thank you for watching. Love y'all, and I'm out.